Welcome to WebStylerus. In this video, I will show you how to disable notification bar when phone is locked on Android. To do that, go to Settings, scroll down, select Notifications, select App Notifications. You can turn off selected app notifications from this screen. For example, I do not need notifications from Adobe Acrobat, so I can turn it off. And so on. But if you want to hide all notifications from all apps, go back and from Notifications screen, select Lock Screen Notifications. Turn notifications off from here. So this is how you can disable notification bar or all notifications when phone is locked on Android. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.